able to resolve an issue with my Aseprite tutorial? You know? Blaming me? Calling himself the gigachat of all Aseprite tutorial followers? And then he's downloading a fucking illegal file. Interesting. Good morning, spherical cat. Cap. Sorry. Cakes, you look funny when you try and look mean to the camera. You wanna see something funny? Yeah? You just have to look in the mirror, bro. Got him, man. Fucking got him. Destroyed. So, we have our first very slowly written description made. And if I didn't show... I could show the code like fully here, whatever. So, it says the following. Bash an enemy with the shield, pushing them back by a bunch of pixels. And then at the bottom, plus physical... excuse me. And then at the bottom, plus physical damage. Oh wow, Cakes, it took you a bit to think of it, but oh you surely got him. The reason why I didn't do it immediately is because I was hoping he would say yes. Do you wanna see something funny? I was hoping he would say and reply to me in chat. Yes, that is why. Like I already knew what I was gonna say. Morning all. Hey Ogmash, good morning. Hello there, sir. Okay. You're so slow. No, you're so slow. Alright, so that would be the first description. And now we have to remember that we have to supply the amount of pixels in pushback and the amount of damage. That is what we supply for shield underscore bash colon. I don't know, someone made a tool that installs it for you. Only started messing with it last night when I realized MS Paint wouldn't do much. But Rooks, you didn't even tell me what the problem was. You just said it didn't work. You know, those are the people that you want to have trying out your tutorials on YouTube or somewhere else. Hey bro, I have a problem with your tutorial. What's the problem? I don't know, man. I just have a problem. It no work, bro. No work, sir. Tutorial dog shit. That's Rugs right now. Tutorial not working. Not working. Bad. Tutorial bad. Oh man. Pirate, yeah, he's a pirate now. Guys, should we stop the Christmas music? But I'm enjoying it so much, man. So good. Well, without the compiler errors in front of me, it's hard to say. Tutorial bad, yeah. Exactly. Let me double check something, okay? Just quickly checking if everything is alright. Good. Very good. Hello, YouTube. Hello. Hello, guys. You're joining into, for those of you who are new, you're joining into a renaming stream. I have decided to rename my abilities and format them in a better way. While before it would say something like bash an enemy, with the shield dealing 44 physical damage, comma, pushing them back by 100 pixels. And then at the bottom it would say 44 physical damage, which is wrong. Now, if you do Ctrl Shift B, And we rename it. Yeah, it shouldn't say 0 because plus 10 is still... Oh, I see, it's increased. Sorry, that should be base. We want to have a base physical damage of 10 per level. No more welcome message. Oh, I'm very sorry, Juan Sista. Let me fix that. Because we do have them, yes. I just always turn them off and forget to turn them on again. Would be cool if Abbott programmed in something like a... Whenever the streamer is offline, the bot won't spam any messages in chat, but it will still reply with, let's say, commands, right? So anyone could stay in the chat and type in a command. Maybe it's already a feature. Let me ask him. But oh, he wrote me a message about the Discord stuff. He's gonna be... Oh, he's here. You're a gem. Oh, he programmed that in already? I'm sorry.
Code formatters?
Yeah, the reason why I'm saying that, you know, the reason why this is cool and good for a streamer, if I don't raid someone and you guys stay in the chat, which some people do, you could always go into my chat, type in a command that you're interested in, and the bot will respond. And there will be no spam from the bot that clutters the entire chat. Not like that, just keep the bot running and mute it in system audio. Cap. No, Abef, that's not what I mean. I mean the bot's messages in chat, the periodic messages. You know, every now and then the bot says, hey, support me on Ko-fi, support me on whatever, follow my YouTube, subscribe to it, stuff like that. Those messages should only be happening on a secondary condition as well, where it says, okay, if there has been at least 10 messages, 15 messages, then there should be another message after that with like a slight delay. Like, for example, let's say there have been 10 messages. Let's say like this. I'm doing a terrible job. No one is chatting, right? Totally boring stream. 15 minutes, no message in chat. And then some new person comes in, he's like, hey, Cakez, hello! And, you know, that's the first message after 15 minutes. And then the bot will see, oh, okay, so there has been one message after 15 minutes, and there has been 10 messages since the last message. Then the bot would post another message, something like that. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? Hi, what's up? Hello there, upper space. Oh, nothing. I'm renaming abilities, making them better.
Uh-oh.
And then after that, the ability stats are being added to the unit stats. But if it's after the fact, then this can be extracted out. But even if I do it, you won't update the bot. Classic. Listen, okay? Listen, bro. I will update the bot, okay? I have this list right here that I want to do, okay? And there's some cool stuff that I want to do, which is why this stream is going to be shorter today. Too many bros, set for comfort. Listen, if you want to do it. If not, it's fine. I will just keep turning off the bot. Oh, I forgot to turn it on now, right? I was rambling so much. I'm sorry. Got totally... Yeah, actually, it's on. It's actually on. Right now. Okay. Now, let's focus on this again. We made shield bash work already. And now it should look correct if we look at it in game. So it should say plus 10 physical damage, and if we hold down the alt, it should say how much total physical damage the ability does, which is 50. That includes everything. For example, if I go back here, this guy has his basic sword. If I say, okay, well, I have this wooden sword, which gives me 20. By the way, the wooden sword doesn't really make sense, to be honest. It shouldn't give 20 physical damage. A wooden sword should never be more damage than a scimitar, which, okay. And if I go back to the skill tree now and hold Alt. Fuck. Why? Why is it only 50? Shouldn't I have a base more? Morning Cakez. Hello, good morning Rebel Decibel. Lightning strikes at home. I wonder what will happen first, your phone will break, like for real, or you're getting your data from it. Now that's toxic. How did you muster enough courage to touch your phone again though? I had to. That's how. And it was cool. And since it was cool, and after what everyone said as well, good morning, hey, you got live. My man, hey everyone, hey there bro. Good morning, Yard Sint. Hey guys. Hello, hope you're doing good, guys. It seems like I have to fix a bug in displaying how much physical damage the ability will do. What about girlfriend? What do you mean, what about girlfriend? Oh. I get it now. Don't you leave it on the, didn't you leave it on the toilet? You had to move it before taking a dump. I left it in the sink, the toilet sink. Not the, like the toilet sink, so the washing thing in the toilet, not in the toilet. In the bathroom, the washing machine. Not the washing machine. The washing thing, where you wash your hands. I don't know what it's called. The washing sink? Okay. Good. Okay, fine. Let's do some coding here. He has a washing machine for his ass, yeah. Okay, display skill description. Okay, let's see. In the skill tree, when I... Okay. Display skill tree. Hero has stats. Ah, the hero is probably a generic hero. That's why. Right. Energy, yeah. It's a generic hero. Budget Cakez. Hero has ass. Hero prefab. These work together. Oops. Let's see if this single line of code will fix the issue. There we go. It does fix the issue. And let's make sure that it actually fixes the issue. There we go. It does. Hello, Prodigy Hut. My man, good morning. By the way, I don't like that pushback unit pixels. Some players won't know what pixel is. And if they don't know what your game... pixel is 4 times the normal pixels, it would seem like nothing. In my opinion, the text could just be pushing them back. Yeah, I take it. I can change it. I really like that idea. Abev, I'm just too lazy to do it right now, and I will do it if someone complains. I think it's a good idea, yeah. Pixel isn't pixel on... The reason why I have 100 pixels, by the way, is because I want to increase the knockback as you level up the shield bash. You know. So for example, the knockback is based on the level. So for example, in the beginning it is going to be 20 plus level times 20. Now, if I don't say pixels, I need another unit because I want them to see that this is actually increasing. For example, if I go here, then I spend pixels, we can see that it does more damage or more knockback. 100 units. So you guys think I should use units instead of... Then meters or oranges length units like 0.3 orange height. I mean, sure. How about we do instead of pixels, let's say units. We can say units for now. That's okay. Because I don't know what type of units I will have in the game. Okay, shield bash is done. Let's go to the next one. Wolf Fang Fist. Now that one is gonna be difficult to do. Scratch a close enemy. Inflicting a bleeding debuff. And this is where I probably have to take a look at Path of Exile. We need bleed ability. Rent. We need an ability that always bleeds. Yeah, puncture doesn't add an additional bleed though. I know about puncture, but it doesn't add additional bleeds. It just says more damage with bleeding. We could do that. Wait, punctures an enemy causing a bleeding debuff, which will be affected by modifiers to skill duration. Puncture works with both dagger swords, daggers, claws, or swords. So, inflicting a bleeding debuff. And then we get rid of that. Boom. We put a dot here. By the way, I have a question. Should I highlight some words or not? For example, pushing them back by a couple of units. Or should I highlight them only here? So for example, you can see that there is physical damage plus 10. And then there could be a pushback of 40. Or knockback plus 40. I'll show it to you actually. This one. This one compared to the following. I don't think so. There will be a lot of colors and the description would be like RGB computers or pride flag. Like this. You can see the difference, right? On the left hand we have a description that has the text inside of it. On the right hand we have the description, and then maybe we should have a little bit of a separation. Maybe a small separation here. And then it says, well, how much it does. You guys don't know either, right? That's what I get from this, but it's okay. Okay, display. Ability, description. There must be a reason why POE doesn't do that. POE does that though. It literally does that. It describes stuff in green and then in blue it highlights all of the stats. Added physical damage, duration, more damage, causes bleeding. So they do that. But in the same color. Not different. Oh, I see, not in different colors. I see. Yeah, maybe just to keep it cleaner. You said you wanted to keep it for leveling up. Yeah, I wanted to definitely want to keep the stats. For sure, yeah. I can also do something cool if I hold down the Alt key and the skill tree is active and I have a skill point to spend. Then I can show in green the upgraded version. You know, since I have a list of stats at the bottom and I know I will only have a text at the top, I can take this list that says plus 40 and then behind that in green I can do an arrow to the right and give it the upgraded version, if that makes sense. Let me check out one thing real quick though. Calculate the top left position. Description, background. By the way, first and foremost, I noticed that the description height, if we have advanced skill descriptions on, we need to have at least like 10, let's say 5 or something, maybe a bit more. Yeah, magic number offset to the bottom. Also the description, enemy singular, them plural. So what is it? Oh, bash an enemy, pushing them back? Pushing it back? I thought that them would reference the enemy, and therefore that's proper English, is it not? It's wrong. Yeah, the horizontal separator, I want to put that after the skill description. Oh, I do that actually. I see. I see now.
Gotcha, bitch.
Andres Panzer, thank you very much for following. Why did I not hear that? Is there something going on here? What the fuck? It was off? Did you guys even hear anything? God damn it, guys, unfortunately I have to go to the bathroom. What is going on? I don't receive anything on voice meter. Maybe I have to restart here again as well. Hey? There was a long one. I don't hear that. I hear that. Okay, it does work. There was a sound. Maybe check with Google Translate. I usually do that from Polish to English to check what the AI would translate it to. The second one is cool. They might not know what units are, but still get to see visually the skill leveling up. Yeah, I think the second one is better. There's only one small problem. I will fix it. Where's the game, guys? Where's the game? Ah. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom. I'm sorry, but I have to go. Be right back real quick.
What did I just do? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no. No, I'm not falling down again, guys. a potion actually. I drank a fucking drank a potion!
I fucking pressed the fucking button! Drink a fucking potion! And you didn't do shit!
What is run drive doing? Close it. Oh my god. It's off.
Okay, I'm back. I have an idea. And now I can think straight. Very nice. Where's the pushback? Right here. I have... Since the text is centered, I can do a \n and do a line. Dashed line. I wonder how that will look. Actually better than the black line. So instead of just gonna use that then, I guess. Yeah, let's try that. Instead of a horizontal separator, we just draw a text. How many is it though? Oh, I see, it's on the top here. I don't want that. This is not a separator. This is an skill or ability name underline. Wait. I like, yeah, me too. Okay, I need 2 more. What? There we go. I like that a lot more. It means a little bit more text, but whatever. And then we have the black line at the bottom. I think 6 is a little much. Maybe 5. Oh. Then 6 is probably not enough. And it probably has to be 7 or something? Or 8 even? If it's 8, then the cooldown at the bottom is still not enough. Which means we have to add in... Yeah, we have to turn this to 8 too. Yeah. Let me see here. Damage numbers. I think this one should only happen in here. Horizontal separator. And then this horizontal separator should always happen. Hello Mr. Cakez, fröhliche Weihnachten, how are you doing? I'm doing good, bro. Thank you very much for asking, hope you're doing good too. You're using Vim Motions, nice. Jako Cod. I do. It is the normal Vim plugin from Visual Studio Code that I'm using. Hope you're doing good, Robin Hoodster. I'm currently working on skill descriptions and we have changed it from this to this. And now the latest version looks something like this. Nice to see the evolution over time. Okay, now the only thing left to do is to check out what happens when we hold the Alt key. I want to see the next level. Not only do I want to display the damage numbers, I also want to... Ooh... Wonder if that's possible. A lot better, I like the dash line. Yeah, for some reason it looks really good. Me too, I like it as well. And the cool thing is we can put the dashed line in a certain color as well if you want to. But I think like this it is very unauffällig in German, in English. Whatever that means in English. Okay. Unfortunately though, I think the only way to get... I think the only way to get a meaningful... So the unfortunate situation is the following. Let's go and look at Shield Bash, because that's what we are looking at right now. Shield Bash concentrates on, and I think we can make it a little bit better so we can see the code as well as like that. Oh shit. Okay. Shield Bash changes the physical damage and the knockback. But unfortunately the ability description for Shield Bash has knockback and physical damage in the description itself. And so I would have to program in something like the following, where I close this here and then I put in optional brackets an arrow in a, let's say, green color where it says a percentage 0.0 F. This is going to be the green updated version. So in the game, we have to do level +1. And then call that float next level first damage. And over here, float next level knockback. And so after the knockback, I have to supply the next level knockback and the next level physical damage. Like that. I think that would work. Okay. Now, I need to think or look real quickly how I do that in text. Where's this ignore character? Am I even doing this? Case. Continue. I think I didn't implement that character yet. Or did I? Ignore section enclosed by character. Haha, there we go. I see. So by default, this character is used as a handle sign to ignore the text that comes in between it. So for example, if I put this character here and then I delete this character. No, how do I... Whatever, let's just delete it. This one character. And then I build again. Everything that comes after knockback +40 will be gone. The physical damage +10 will be gone. Yeah. Exactly. And then it shows in green the next level. Because the next pipe operator that it finds is here, which means it will show the green stuff with the arrow, but it won't show anything after this pipe. So that's why we get knockback +40. Arrow 20, which is bad, by the way, is in this case. But so what I'm trying to say is that it works, and I'm surprised that it does, because that is something I implemented before the OpenGL rework. Another cool thing about this is I can go into display ability description and whenever we hold down the Alt key, I can also check if the ability .level is less than 5. So that means there's still, or let's call it max ability level. There's gotta be, yeah. If it's less than the maximum ability level, well then we can put the... let me see. The ignore character to nothing. And if we put the ignore character to nothing and we are holding down Alt, And we should see the next level. Why not? The description is here. Yeah, I see. Okay. It works, but I just have it in the wrong... Okay. We have to check for alt twice. Okay, now it should work. Please. Now that is fucking cool. What do you guys think? Huh? I could do the bottom as well. Shit, doesn't fit anymore. Fuck off, bitch. Fuck you. There we go. And then we can do... I can do one more, boys. I can do one more. I mean, it would just be a repeated code. Would it? Poof! Oh my god! This is so simple! I wonder what happens if the ability... Is it ability? That is fucking dog shit. This is dog shit. This is dog shit. God damn it. Fuck, man. What are you working on, UHM? This. I went from this today to this, to this, to this. People happy? And I'm currently working on the bottom line here. So it shows me in green as well what I need. Working on that at the moment. Try to make that, give that a green one as well. So I can show all of the differences. But I'm not there yet. Hey Cakez, hello Derpsy. Hello there, my man. Good morning. How's it going, bro? Welcome, bro. I'm currently working on skill descriptions. Right now I'm working on this. How about this? I'll put a brush here. Use the tablet if I have fucking space. Guys, what do I eat today? I was at my parents over Christmas. They gave me food, but I ate it all already. What do I eat today? Fucking Giga Chat, man. Holy shit, what a fucking monster. Fucking damn. Goodness. Look at that. F8, there's a problem. Oh yeah. So essentially, I want to get the next ability. If someone is holding down Alt and the ability is not already maximum level. Actually, if someone is holding down Alt, I want to get the next level ability. Eat another turkey. Fat fuck, ate all the food. Cakez, is that okay? I've set the interval to 1 second and the minimum messages to 3. Set then to 10. So now there's an option to set a minimum time and a minimum message count between periodic messages. My man, Abef, I really appreciate that, man. This is so cool. Thank you. Thank you very much. No, you are a beast when it comes to programming. That is so fast. Thank you very much. I will try my best. I will try my best to update the bot later tonight or tomorrow in the morning. I will try my best. I'm so close to doing it, I promise. Man, thank you. I don't even know all the features that you added. I have also finished 2 POE maps. Yeah. I'm working on that too, okay? I'm working on it. My man. Crazy. So the problem is that whenever we create an ability, the new ability stats... Whenever we create an... Oh my god, is that annoying? Whenever we create an ability, it takes in stats from a unit and the ability ID as well. So I cannot create a secondary ability with a higher level because I don't have the original unit stats. You know, that means if I supply the ability stats, then the unit stats exist twice. it would be result in something wrong. What's up, man? What are you stealing today? I'm not stealing anything. I'm just working on... You can see it on fucking screen, bro. I'm not just stealing anything. I'm literally not yoinking anything. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking. Well, the unit stats are there so that we can display. Do we need this? On the ability, actually.
Gotcha, bitch.
Melkaya, thank you very much for following, man. Well, the question is, do we? I don't like the reworks that I get into every time I work with this stuff, man. So, you know, I create a system that I think works very well. Then I change the requirements, I make it better. And then I realize that the old system was bad. But I still like the old system. So, to give you some context, an ability has its own stats. For example, an ability can have physical damage, knockback, and all of that, right? So if I have a unit and the unit uses an ability, the ability adds their own stats on top of the unit. And in order to not have to do this addition every time I activate an ability, let me think real quick. This is activate ability. It takes in an activator and an ability. By the way, we could turn this into a const reference. That surely won't break anything, right? Surely that won't break anything, right? Yeah, that's why we don't do that. All right. So. Constant mega lol. Hello there, Mel Kaya. Good morning. First time chat. My man. Good morning and thank you for following. How long does it take for 7TV emote to change from unlisted? Cakes, do you pay for having 7TV emotes on stream? No, I don't. I would not use 7TV if I had to pay. Thankfully, it's free though. Oh wow, what are you looking at, Bamboozled? You're very angry at Shade 11. What did he do? Good morning, my man. So essentially, like, here's where we get into trouble a little bit. Abilities usage cost. So for example over here. But I think we can extract that out into activating an ability. But then at the same time, actually, okay, so here's a first timer, or not a first timer. Here's something that is interesting. If we take a look at this, an ability can be made cheaper using items because there's an ability cost reduction stat in the game, right? And so this can be affected by stat ability cost reduction, right? This can be affected. And so I think the best way to do this, we turn this into activate. Let's put this on V and then we can jump to A. A is where we currently deal with the abilities. Start ability cost increase. No. First and foremost, this is the cooldown multiplier. And this is the cost multiplier. And I think I should just turn those into functions. should have a function called get. We have a function called getAbility recharge, and then we should also have a function called float get ability cooldown. Takes in an entity reference and an ability reference. So first and foremost, Paul Boca, hello there. Thumbs up? Oh my man, thank you. Appreciate it. By the way, congrats on your release. Oh, you're talking to Shade11? I had a beautiful emote uploaded. It's not listed yet. It's probably a clown or something, right? Oh, not a bad one, man. It's actually quite nice. Of course you are just... You are... Of course you are. I just wasn't in chat because it's your comrade, my man. Rugs, I'm not a comrade, I see. Oh, wow. By the way, Coffee Lover doesn't have that emote. People leave finger. I wanted to do a people leave finger yesterday. Because he went offline the moment I joined, like 10 minutes later. But he doesn't have that emote. What a fucking noob. So this is where it begins already. Essentially what we have to do here is get the ability cost. And I would assume that an ability does not have this stat ability cost on itself. You know, ability cost is something like a multiplier, where 1 means the ability costs 100%, 0.5 means the ability only costs 50% of its original value. And having that stat on the ability, in my opinion, does not make any sense. Though I have an idea. And then we could just supply those stats here. And this is where it gets interesting. I think we are bound for a rework. Hi, how are you? It's difficult to say your name. Aptip? Is it Aptip? It's difficult, but hey, I'm good. How about you, man? I think it can be used for fat shaming and they want to prove it. I want to create Mimi lore for myself. It's appreciating fat people if they think like that. They are the ones fat shaming. Another rework incoming. Rework Inc. No, a small rework. Essentially making the ability a tiny bit lighter. For example, so I have this stat bundle, I think. Stats. And the stat bundle has a target stat. Which means good day, Cakez. Did you play Rogue Legacy 1 and 2 and Dead Cells? Can you create a similar game? I didn't play those recent future, but good morning, man. Long time no see, bro. I don't know. I can Google one if you want. Rogue Legacy. I've not played those games, no. This is not pixel art, right? Is it? No, I have not. It looks like probably it is the animated sprites using vertices. Is that correct? Bone animations? More games to yoink? No. We have enough games to yoink from. Now, the reason why I'm doing all of this, by the way, guys, is so that I can display this, okay? I know it is weird, but this is sometimes how it works in programming. You wanna do something very simple, and unfortunately your design doesn't let you do that because it was not designed that way. And it was a little bit too rigid in its way, which is fine, but now that we extend the functionality, I need to change the bare design. This still works. Good. Get ability cooldown. Then we get the ability cost, the cost multiplier. We set a maximum here, and then we get the abilities usage cost by cost multi. Shouldn't the ability usage cost be a float? Shouldn't this be a float? And upgrade cost and train cost don't exist anymore. Think. I'm not using those as far as I remember. Shouldn't this be a float? Okay. There's something here in red immediately. Upgrade cost and terrain cost. Probably not a big deal. Creatability of type. Ah, I see. Okay. I think it works now. I mean, apart from this, need to get rid of that real quick. Rogue Legacy 1 is drawn in pixel art style and Dead Cells 2. My English is not very good. Before getting into OpenGL, do you think it's okay to learn renderer software first? Thanks for sharing. Hello there, Marcus. What do you mean by renderer software? Something like Unity? Should be a little bit more specific. Adamic. Thank you very much for following. Maybe be a bit more specific. I don't know exactly what you mean, unfortunately. Now I'm assuming you mean something like Unity or Unreal Engine, maybe? RenderDoc? I don't think so. Maybe. But no, you don't need to learn anything. You can start right now. Open up, learn OpenGL. Take 20 minutes of your time. Minimum, and do something right now. Follow the first tutorial that you can find. Set up OpenGL the way he tells you to. Do one page, whatever you want to do. And tomorrow you do the same thing. You repeat that and build a habit. That's how you get into it. It doesn't matter how you start. Fact is, if you want to do something, just start. Draw some triangles. You just do something. I got like 5 sales during Christmas. I don't know how down bad these people were. My man! Shade11 made fucking $5 with Obesity Simulator during Christmas. Hell yeah, bro. This guy is fucking rich. Damn. You should make another game, Shade11. You can make another game. But you lost money, by the way. I mean, you lost money with... Yeah, oh, you're making the train game? Okay. I mean, I have nothing against the train game, except for the clown. Like, I don't know what you're trying to pull there, but... The dog one? Mm-hmm. Okay. Sorry, I mean software rendering. We are creating a program that's drawing a bitmap to a pixel buffer, blending the bitmap, and etc. Software rendering. If you want to do that first, Marcus, is that like something that you have to do for university, or is it a task you have? But still, if you want to learn OpenGL, then do it right now. That has nothing to do with your task. The reason why some people do software rendering first is so that they learn how it's being done. They learn the background of what ultimately prompted someone to make a GPU and then have that deferred on the GPU and let that do the work. Cake's new room. Cheesy is back. Yes, Cheesy is back. Repeat and repeat. Draw some circles. I'm Robot. Yeah, I'm Robot is back. Welcome back, bro. How is it? Cake's in a new room. How is it? Good that you're back. Thank you. Good that you're back, bro. Oh, you mean cheeseburgers. Let's see. I'm in a new room. Yeah, I'm in a new room. There was a time when you weren't there. Cakes raged that time. I feel very comfortable here, to be honest. I feel very good. I like it. I'm alone in this room. I am not next to a bed where someone could wake up any minute, you know. I don't disturb anyone. It's somehow like a little bit like my man cave. Except for there's a fucking desk behind me. And a new chair. Now the chair has always been with me. It's great. No, I like it. Cake sold 1 million copies. Yeah, like we can say that in hopefully like 2-3 years. Yeah, I'll be rich, boys. I'll be living the life. True. You know, what goes down at some point has to go up, right? Right, boys? That's how it is. 100%. I should become an indie game developer now. Sure, if you want to do that with your life, go ahead. You need funding though. Or at least you need to have some money that you have on the side so that you don't like run out of food or places to sleep while doing that, you know. Do you fund me when you are a billionaire? Do you fund me when you are a billionaire? Yeah, maybe. You know, you never know what happens in the future, but you know, big mode exists from gamedev donkey. I have not put my game there because I think you only get one shot, and I don't think I wanna put my game there in its current state. But yeah, maybe something like that in the future. Fund, of course. Billionaire soon. Cake's crowdfund. First I need to crowdfund my game, I think. We'll go to Kickstarter at some point. Not at the moment though. Okay, I had this in the perfect location, now it's annoying. I think it was like this. Okay, so let me double check what it looks like in the game right now. We changed some data, of course, which means we have to recreate the game or rebuild the game. Good thing is that abilities are no longer stored to files, which means unfortunately you can't mod them, but also the data can change. Uh-oh. Something is off here.
Gotcha, bitch.
Link unable, permission denied. Okay. Thank you very much for following, Ifrek. Why do you have a voice meter? For what? I use 2 computers. If I stream on my computer and play Path of Exile at the same time, the computer dies. I don't, my graphics card is not powerful enough. And my old computer, who was powerful enough, the graphics card is broken. So if I play on my old computer, it will crash. But fortunately, the old computer is, when you just run OBS, it doesn't seem to allocate and deallocate a bunch of memory on the GPU, which is what's causing it to crash, actually. So it just stays stable, it doesn't crash because of that. It allocates once and then uses that particular memory mapped range, which means that it runs stable. I've had it, it has never crashed, fortunately. So I can, but I still have to use 2 computers. And in order to connect those 2 computers, I use voice meter so that I can, for example, what do I use it for? I use it basically to hear music. Yeah, trailer, Swift Cakes, and now this music. Let's see here. But I thought about this today, actually. Next year, I want to save up. Why is TTS gone? It was annoying. I want to save up. Okay, everything is still the same. It still works exactly the same as before. Perfect. No, I didn't like TTS anymore. I was not having fun, man. Oh my god, this is no way. There's no way that this just works. Are you literally kidding me? This is so good. Paint is such a fucking good program. Look at this. Holy shit, man. Next you wanna tell me that Paint can also do slides, and then we have a fucking... we have goodness, man. Can I draw in here? No, I can't. Okay.
Thank you, I am Rob0T for 100 bits.
My man,
Cheer
thank
100, I want my TTS back. Now, get to the chopper.
Yeah, you can still get TTS through bits and donations, yeah. But free TTS was out of hand. I really appreciate the support, I'm Robot. Thank you.
Gotcha, bitch.
Fuck off, Shade11. Go away. He hates chat, that's why, yeah, I just hate you guys, exactly. You are just a means to the end, that's true. I just stream so you guys can throw money at me. That's exactly the reason. True. True. 100%. Okay, so this is where we do a commit and push.
Thank you, I am Rob0T for 100 bits.
My
Cheer
man.
100 back then, 3 bits were enough. What an awesome time. I want that back.
Can you add TTS for like 10k points? Yeah, I could, but at the moment I'm just too lazy. I didn't even update the bot, which literally takes 2 seconds.
No.
9x0artx just subscribed. Big tick support
Thank you.
for 3 years.
Thank you very much. I am Robot and Nina Cortex. Thank you very much for the support. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Okay, this is where we do a commit and push. Because I'm going to change data now. Small. Ability rework. Git push. Oh, it's actually the one that I do now. Whatever.
Am I so out of touch?
My man, I'm Robot.
I am Rob0T just subscribed. Big tick support for 10 years. 10 months Cakez.
What am I looking at, man? Gonna lurk cause I'm working. Merry Christmas, you all. Merry Christmas, Nina Cortex. Thank you. Did you start the Swift Cakes channel? I did not start it yet, no. I'm waiting on my internet. I'm testing my internet every couple of hours to see when it's upgraded. And I'll probably call them today so they do like a proper reset of my router. Because I think it will still lag even if I have more internet. I'm switching to 100 megabits download and 40 megabits upload. Which means I will be able to stream to both YouTube, Twitch, and even Kick if I want to. I don't think streaming to Kick makes sense for software and game development. I did meet a couple of people there. I have like 3 followers or something. Or actually no, I think I have 12 even. I think I actually have 12. 140 is not much, yeah, but that's what I can afford. So yeah, I think it's better than currently. Currently I have 50 and 10. And I can barely stream to YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Have you guys not seen the proper, the fucking lags I had? Literally my stream got restarted multiple times the last couple of days. You know how bad that is for viewers? They think, okay, Cake's gone, let me find another streamer. It's really bad. So it had to happen. And fortunately the woman on the phone was really nice. Was helping me out a lot. Shut the fuck up. Fuck off, bitch. Leave me alone. Anyways, so now that we are done, over here what I want to do is change this interface. I want to remove the stats needed for an ability to be created. I do not want to use the unit stats at all in the description for abilities. I just want to display the stats of the ability, and then in addition this 50 physical damage at the bottom, that is something that comes from the player when we display the description. And so we'll see how that will go. No more Godot? Haha. Hey Jose, hey man, I will do Godot in the future, yeah, but currently I'm working on my tower defense game. Hello TCAP, how are you doing, man? I saw that you were streaming earlier. How was your stream, man? Hope you're doing good, bro. So I would assume that you raided someone and then left their channel for me. Oh man, thank you. What a nice person. Have you stolen TCAP's chat game? TCAP's chat game? I think it is from TCAP, the chat game. I have not stolen. I used his bot for a while. Oh, resist, my man. Oof. Good morning. Of course, they will be nice. You want to give them money. But good that you switched away from Vodafone. No, actually, Abev. The person was not nice. You want to know the story? The entire story? So I was phoning them, right? Because, and again, thank you guys for 200 bits and 2 subs. Thank you very much. We completed a level 1 hype train and contributed to a 75% to level 2, right? So thank you so much for the support. This is how it was. I wanted to talk to them about my fiber, and I also wanted to talk to them about the lags that I had playing Path of Exile. Even if I was just streaming to Twitch, having 10,000 uploads should not give me lags in the internet connection. And then also I wanted to ask them, well, what about the fiber connection that they wanted to give me like a year ago? More than a year ago by this point. You know? And so the first person on the phone gave me like some shady email. And basically I wanted to ask her, well, how does it actually work? And then she just fucking hung up on me. She literally gave me an email that looked shady as fuck. And then she hung up on me because she realized that she couldn't answer my questions. Oops. And yeah. And I was like, what the fuck, bro? And then I called them again, and then they asked me, well, can we call you back? Because the Leitungen in English, the phone Leitung, the phone lines or whatever, they are full right now. And I'm like, okay, fine, you can call me back. 2 minutes later, they call me back. Hey, glad I have some you know, electronic, some AI on the phone. Blah, 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 bling, 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 bling. And then it was like, zzz, zzz, and then off, poof. Someone hung up on me again. I was angry at that point. And so I called them one last time. And fortunately, that time I got a German. I knew it was a German because she was very good with German. I got a German woman on the phone. And I first had to ask her exactly about the fiber situation. She explained to me everything I needed to know. For example, that whenever they install fiber in the house, they have to literally, it is in the streets, fiber is in the streets at the moment, but right now the German, not the German, but the city that I live in is, it's difficult to explain that in English when you're missing the words, you know, that's why I'm stopping. The city that I live in, verteilt, God, what is it called, man? The city that I live in distributes to private companies, smaller companies, the job to connect the fiber from the street to the actual house. They have to do some work there. Not exactly what type of work, I don't know what type of work that is. And so these jobs are planned out mostly. And so that is taking time still, essentially. And so I asked her, well, okay, fine, if it's taking time, well, what happens with my contract after that time? And I can potentially get fiber, because the reason why I switched to telecom was because I wanted to get fiber. And she explained to me that whenever fiber is a possibility in my area, I get a new offer from them in terms of money. And it will be the same offer that I have at the moment, which is 50 download and 10 upload. And I told her, well, that's not what they told me on the phone. They told me it's gonna be faster, you know. And she explained to me that fiber is faster when there's a multitude of people using the same line. Is that correct, guys? If someone uses fiber, it doesn't matter how many people are in the area, it is still a stable connection, but it's not inherently faster, aka you don't get more speed inherently unless you have like a higher budget there. Is that how it works? I'm sort of disappointed of POE. I'm trying the last 4 days to run my 4th lab, but there's no chance. I literally kicked me out 5 times almost at the end of the lab. When I end Inter Plaza, I have so bad latency, but the rest of the game is working fine. You should change the servers, Resist. Try changing the servers, or did you do that already? Fiber's light speed. Anyways, so for them it is... I think she's making shit up. That all that differs is bandwidth. Everyone else works more or less the same. What does bandwidth mean, Rebel Decibel? What is bandwidth in this situation? I'm sorry. Guys, I have a question. Is there a way to turn an entity reference to 0? There's not, right? Guys. Anyway, so bandwidth means I had 250 Mbit DSL on old copper cables. Yeah, so I don't think it is the amount of data, right? It's a property limited by physics. DSL has roughly 50 Mbit, fiber has roughly 1 gigabit. Don't think so. Yeah, like I can get 250 Mbit on DSL at the moment. I don't think fiber goes faster the more people use it. I think fiber is more stable. That's all, to be honest. It is a better connection. I think that's just all. Yeah. So like literally I can go right now and, you know, Google that. Yeah. So I think she wasn't lying to me. And even if she was lying to me, I checked the stats on their homepage and on other homepages. You pay for fiber, you pay more money for fiber, but they offer the same things. They offer 50 downloads, they offer 100 downloads, they offer 250 downloads. Like these stages are still the same. For fiber they just cost more money. That's all. That's and that is on Vodafone, on Telecom. Like you don't get any special prizes there. Is it capped though? Yeah, it is capped. When you get a certain package, they cap it for you. Of course, mine's capped right now at 50. Once the new internet arrives on tomorrow, it should be capped at 100. But I think I can go even higher, even further beyond. I was paying less for fiber than I was paying for regular one. Oh, that is really interesting data. I will be paying about the same when I get fiber. So that was their offer for me. Which is why ultimately I switched. And she explained to me that it's more stable. In the end, it doesn't matter to me if it's more stable or not. But what she explained to me was that whenever my old contract my contract is still in place, and whenever fiber is an option for me, I can enter that new contract that they offered me 2 years ago or 1 year ago. And then I will pay 19 bucks for half a year, and after that I will pay the same amount of money that I pay now. But then I asked her, well, can I switch to a higher level, aka more speed right now before that fiber contract happens? You know, and she said, yes, I can, right? Because and my contract still didn't expire, right? The 2 years did not expire. The 2 years will expire next year on June, July. So she could potentially just let me have the old contract and pay more money for the remaining 6 months. But she offered me a little bit of a discount for the new contract, and I cannot break out of the old contract because it's minimum 2 years and it's not been running for 2 years yet. So she offered me essentially €5 less each month for more speed for 6 months, and then after that it is €2 more each month. So even if I was paying the full price now, it would only be €2 more, but I have twice the speed on download and 4 times the speed on upload. So, obviously I said yes, and so that is why I'm saying the woman was nice, because she didn't have to. And obviously maybe something going on and shady in there, you never know, but I don't think so too much, because it all seemed reasonable. For example, with Cat 6 you can have 1 gigabytes, but with fiber you can go much faster. But the internet provider limits that, so you won't use all of their bandwidth. I see. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, I think I will stay with the old contract if it's good. Caught you live again, Derek K. Hello there, bro. Yeah, we're currently working on skill descriptions. A very relaxing stream. I actually wanted to update all of them on stream, but it's always happening. We're always talking about some stuff. We're currently talking about fiber. So yeah, I'm excited to wait for the new fiber setup. Or not fiber setup, or the new internet. I might even be streaming to Kick then again. We'll see. Why not, right? I don't mind. Meet like 1 or 2 more people. Finished Aseprite installation that day, had MinGW, so Ninja was choosing that compiler instead of CMake. Oh, I see, yeah. Lots of food and then never again. Aizen, hey, my man. Never again, sure. Alright, then we get the cost multi, we have cooldown. Yeah. Shit. Fuck, I was talking so much. Moin moin, Ninx. Kick is dead. You wanna take a look? Maybe it is. This is cooldown here. I'll quickly implement that. We use stats, we have cooldown multi, then we set the cooldown multi, and then we return ability cooldown times cooldown multi. I watch Kick daily with XQC. Yeah, XQC is probably keeping it alive, to be honest. I would assume. Think how many does he bring over? 30,000? Or is it like 20? Maybe a little bit less. Good morning, Cakez, and my buds, Asen and Push. Oh man, look at that, guys. He's saying hello to you guys on another fucking ocean floor. Look, guys, he's saying hello from the other side. You gotta appreciate that, guys. 37k right now he's on. Oh yeah, I watched, I didn't watch him, but I was online earlier and I checked Twitch and he was streaming to 40k on Twitch. Seems like he switched.
Push and Asen, you should say something to him. It's fucking rude to not say hello. Wow.
They don't care about you anymore, man. They left you. They're like, you're just on Twitch. You're just on YouTube. Sad. It's fine, Asen and I talk daily about this game, about his game. YouTube sucks ass. It is an ass and sucks itself. Interesting. Well, YouTube definitely is missing a lot of functionality, even when it comes to videos. I didn't think it would be the case. Okay, cool. Now we have, it took me a while, but now we have 2 functions. Get the ability cooldown, providing an ability and an entity, optionally, and getting an ability cost, providing an ability and an entity. And this is using the abilities stats 2 here. Very important. Because the ability stats number 2 is a stat bundle, which means it is much more lightweight than all of the stats. It is just simply 8 stats together. While how many stats do we have at the moment? 57. And every stat is quite big. If we take a look, a stat has 3 floats. So compare 8 floats, 8 times 3 floats to 57 times 3 floats. That is why I'm doing that. It is a tiny bit better. Yeah. Okay, now that we have those two functions, it is time to actually work on I think he just gets a homing missile. And then it sets the cooldown and usage cost and adds it. Ability target count, okay, that would be the first. Yeah, most of the abilities that I create no longer require the enemy stats, because the enemy stats or the unit stats are now taken into account when we are activating the ability. Poison Cloud.
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you, Aviati Tion, for following. How much money am I to make from games to quit my job? How much money am I going to make from games to quit my job? How much money do I have to make? It depends on your living situation. I don't think I can answer that for you. Probably at least 1,000 a month if you live alone. Maybe more. Eat Massive Chode? What a name, brother. Thank you very much for following, man. Ability spawn seed. About the cooldown. To be honest, I probably don't do that. If I do it, then I have to do it in a different way, and this is gone now. Awesome. Now we don't need to do anything anymore. All we need to do for each ability, and this is the cool thing. Let's go into Shield Bash now. The only thing we have to do is no longer require work with these stats, but instead we work with this. We used isolate this here. We use stats 2. And stats 2 has two things. It has a target stats, which I think is an array, right? It's not. So I get compliments on my username every time I follow someone. Smiley face. I didn't know if I like how Thor's stream has become an Ask Thor column. I don't know. Sage. It's gonna go better. It's gonna grow better at some point. Right now, like, everyone is just excited to ask him questions. I think it's gonna die down at some point, and then you will be able to interact normally again. Sir Ale, thank you very much for following. Okay, I want to turn this into an array too, which breaks a bunch more code. So I suppose, look. The Grey Hack game was peak. I wish he plays that again. Actually, I saw that and I was like, that's a smart choice for a game to play. Projecting my dominance. Shade 11, you're right. The reason why he had that many viewers, on that game is because that's exactly what people got to know him for. Yeah, exactly. Like, he can style on people with that game. Yeah, he can. He has a lot of knowledge on that, so he should play that more. I don't know how long the game is though. He should probably do more content like that. Maybe he can't at the moment though, because of all the questions. But when it goes down a little bit, then he can probably go. Okay, how do we do this? Target stats. Like, target stats is a little annoying because it is a normal array and it doesn't have a counter. And I would rather have it as an array. Because right now I would have to do something like this. Target stats on 0. And then I would do stat.base. Right, and I would have to do target stat on 0.type. And then that would be the type of the stat. Which would be, for example, stat physical damage. So we'd say, okay, the physical damage stat has this base. If there's a message time limiting, then it's probably JavaScript if they disable that. Interesting how the extension just fucks up Twitch's JavaScript code. Awesome. So, like, this is a little bit annoying, right? We can program it like this. It's fine, right? And we say, okay, fine, we have physical damage here. Right? And then we have next level physical damage as well. And then we add the first stat, and then at the bottom below that we have float, knockback, which is exactly the same, but without level +1. And then we add a type on index 1. This is what I don't like about that stat system. You see that? Right here. The index 0 and index 1. I would rather have it be like an add function, right? Dot add, and then I, you know, say stat knockback with the stat. I'd rather have such a function than this. But I told myself I'm gonna do a shorter stream today because I have to set up everything. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now just to see if it works. What does it say stats 2? Because I'm adding new stuff right now. And this new stuff probably don't need that for this case. This new stuff it should not break the game. Music. Well, we'll need to find a solution, Shady11. You could probably listen to a different playlist on YouTube, but listening to the music on YouTube helped a lot with the YouTube streams as well. That YouTube not have music, yeah, not having music on YouTube resulted in like literally 0 people. And once I added YouTube back, music back to YouTube, sometimes there was 20. You know, 10 plus. So there's gotta be a better solution. Yeah, you wanna do the Scotland, I know. Yeah, Scotland forever. We can find a solution, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Alright, so we have a base knockback and a base physical damage on this shield bash. Store the abilities, yeah. Obviously, most of the gameplay code is broken right now. But this is where we can finally begin. We need a new level. Okay. Pirates of Two never raided you? There was no way for him to raid me. I never was online when he went offline, bro. He started streaming a lot lately because of the pull, because of the huge influx in viewers, and I would do the same. So there's no way he could be offline when I'm still online, if he streams for like 9 hours. Because I'm not. I'm focusing on other things. Maybe you should change time to bait him? No, I won't. I don't want to come off as a leecher. No way. I'll never do that. Absolutely not. I'll do what's best for me. And not that in that way. That's like guilt tripping someone. That's dumb. Leech to the top, bro? No, I want to go there because my content is great, not because I leech from someone. And I will be there at some point. Just takes time and effort. Okay, so we have one problem now. Since I want to, you see that right here. We're working on the green stuff. I want to get the next level of the ability. I have already been able to get this stuff right here. The 60 and the 20. Getting this next level requires a little bit more effort. Because we first of all have to get the new ability. And then using the stats for the ability, we need to add the stats of the unit to it. To display the damage. I know how to do it here. So for the original one, so that they display correctly. This one will be wrong, by the way. This one will show 0 now, but that's fine. How about we fix the errors first? Mark this on A and then fix the rest of the errors first. Node ability. Yeah, ability nodes just have the ability ID now. Great ability of type, what is this? Yeah. ability node. Node level. Cakez, yesterday one of his friends died. Please don't say anything stupid like Quinn. What did Quinn say about the ferrets though? Why would I say anything about a female? A ferret die. I'm sorry, this was not intended to be toxic, okay? Ferret. Why would I say anything about a ferret dying? That's sad. What did Quinn die? Quinn die. God damn it! I'll make myself some. Nah, whatever. What did Quinn say though? That's unfortunate, man. Selected hero stats, ability choice. Yeah, that's okay. Beep, 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 beep. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Good morning, Bolos. Metakio, hello there, bro. Creating all sorts of drama. I'm referring to the clown moment with Quinn. I thought he wanted to hear something funny, man. Unfortunately, it was not funny. Okay, sorry. But there's nothing like you can say about a ferret dying that sucks. That's all. But I'm pretty sure they will be okay, because probably not the first one that died, right? They just grow of old age. It's probably one of the older ones, right? So give it a proper burial, like we did with our guinea pig, I think they're called. We did that too. It's sad, obviously, because they grow to your heart for sure. It lived twice the normal age, 10 years. Damn, that's long. That's really long, yeah. Alright, let's see how the game has changed. Probably not much. And by game, I mean the abilities. I didn't expect it to work. Did it even build? I mean, it says there are no errors, but I'm too... Huh. How? It should not... It should not do that. Oh, it does. It does work. Oh, yeah. It does work. Okay, now if I press Alt, that works too. Great. But it doesn't show us the bottom part, the physical damage and all of that, because everything there is 0. And this is where we have to change the code. Cool. Unfortunately, I'm not there quite yet, but we are very close. So the ability stats right here, all of them are 0. What we have to do is create a stats on the stack. Hopefully, it's not too big. And then do stats is stats plus ability.stats. You know, we merge ability stats with unit stats. Which means whenever we display an ability description, excuse me. Excuse me. We apply the stats to it. And then we do if entity. We do stats is stats plus entity stats. Okay, and then we, instead of ability.stats, we do stats. That should give us the original ability stats. It should still work. Exactly, now we have 10 physical damage. And why do we have 10 physical damage? Well, because the ability currently has 10 physical damage. Cool. Next is actually using the units, the entity stat. Or the entity where the stats are being displayed from. So we turn that into a requirement, and then every time it should ask us, what do we have here? Draw ability with socket. What do we have here? Draw highlight button pressed. Energy in red. This is probably on the bar. Yes. So we have the selected hero here to supply the stats. There we go. That's the first instance. And then over here, this is the skill tree. And we should have a selected unit here too. Let's see, do we have a hero? Static entity. Okay, should work. Nice. Next one. This is choices. We have a selected hero here. Very nice. Dude, you could have gone on longer. The chat is very sleepy right now, so you could have probably gone on much longer. Now it should probably display me the correct physical damage. 50, awesome. We are one last step. One last step. From displaying the upgraded version in green. So we have the physical damage here, right? We need a pipe operator. Then the arrow, and then another percentage D for the next level physical damage. And another pipe operator to close it. And we do that for every type of damage. Percentage D, these nuts. Okay, and then we just do next level fire, cold and lightning damage. And we probably don't have to do an if check here if the entity is a requirement. Footy Pingu, ... they are crafty. People that use the dot, especially more than 2 dots, always seem triggered to me. And this guy used 5. Oh, Asen is triggered too, holy. Yeah.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Entertainers, ... sounds like a you issue, ... definitely triggered. Holy shit, this guy is doing double dots or big dots. Holy. Crazy. You gotta calm down there, brother. What are you doing? Oh, boys, boys, boys.
Gotcha, bitch.
We are almost there. This is like the finish line. Thank you very much for following. Piss off, bitch. Fuck you. Eat a dick. I hate you. Don't ever follow again. New demo soon? No. I'm still working on gameplay. Releasing game. I'm talking about the finish line for ability descriptions. Having a stat system in the game is one of the first steps to work on more content. It is like this. I had a system in the game, I tried it out, I added in more abilities, I noticed I need to extend the system. Went back, extended the system, aka rework. Then I had another system in the game that was good, worked until a certain point. I added in more and more items and abilities and I realized, fuck, I need to rework the system again. The new... What is it? The new requirements made it difficult to extend the system. So I went back, extended the system. This just keeps happening. Work.
The next level should be a higher fucking damage number, bro. Not a lower damage number.
How is it 50 to 40? Huh? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, how? Huh? What? Huh? Let's turn it green first. God damn it. Forgot to make it green as well. Bug found, next cool damage has the wrong value. You sure? You sure? You clearly calculate the target damage by providing wrong arguments. I don't think so. God, I need to take a piss. God damn it. God damn it. But I wanna fix it first. It's like, you know, playing the game. Just gotta do one more map before you can go. Just the way it is. Fuck. Cakez doesn't make mistakes. Next code damage has the wrong value. What do you mean? Next code damage has the wrong value? Really? How? How do you know that? Get cold damage? How do you know that? What if I do +2? What happens? If it goes down, then I'm confused. Huh. You clearly calculate the target damage. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom real quick. Be right back. Yeah. Sorry about that. Magic numbers. I don't know where... I don't see the problem. I create a next level ability. Supply an ability level +2. So yeah, be right back. +2 is just for testing, bro.
That's a
Daddy, chill.
retard. Yeah. Oh shit.
I know the problem. It's funny how I always find out the problem when I go take a Pias. It's this. Number 2. Watch.
Hello Cakez.
Aber geht's ab, my man. I don't even need to do that. I don't need this minimum. It is handled by... Oops, wait 1 second. It is handled here. If the ability is too high level... Can I not put points into it? Why can I? Oh, I couldn't put points into it because I see. I needed to travel there first. Look at this. Isn't that nice? What a great system. Now there's one last question that we have to provide. Should the level at the top be displaying level 4? Or should it display level 3 right now? You're such a great developer, Cake Son. My man, thank you, oh, bro. Or... Oh my god, such a fucking great idea. I have such a fucking great idea, bro. I have a fucking cool idea, boys. Watch. Shit. It doesn't work. God damn it. It doesn't actually work. Shit. Shut the fuck up, you little bitch. Shut your fucking mouth. I have an idea. I have a cool idea. I have a cool idea. How about this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I should probably not draw it in green though. What do I do? Wait, what is the ability? 29. Should probably put it on 29. Or on a different level. And then over here this is gonna be green. Just wait. This is gonna be awesome. Over here we just do ability level +1. such a fucking great idea, bro. Oh, it's a pointer. I was waiting for it to pop off, man. Come on. Huh? Shit. This is not a 0. God damn it. I hate this. Okay, I will have to wait a little bit. Have an idea. No. I have an idea. Actually, I have an idea. Simple. Simple. There we go. We just copy that one from the font. Watch. Oh my god! Damn! Ha ha ha! Huh? Huh? That feeling? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that's a skill description, if I've ever seen one. OP. That's it.
By the way, we could do the same thing for the cooldown and the energy cost, but yeah, I'm too lazy right now to do that, so yeah.
Sturdy Pose, good afternoon. What changed? This changed. You can now see what level it is next and the impact it has, the level. You can't see it here because I have not updated the data for the description. But yeah, you press the Alt key and then you can see the next level. I guess that's a big advantage of immediate drawing UI. I think so. I don't know exactly because I don't know other types of UI. Cool. I wasn't expecting this, to be honest, when I started today. I was expecting to just rework all of the ability descriptions, you know. Look at this, 0 physical damage. Creates a projectile that pierces all enemies. Creates a gust of wind that slashes all enemies along its path. Damn. Or it should be like 360 Pondohor. Other types of UI, some fake HTML or HTML. Cakez, this is very well done by you and this is a really cool stream! Exclamation mark, thank you! It's official, Cakez has trademarked genius and bottled it up for everyday use. And if I reach level 5, then there will be no next level. There can be no next level. Because it's maximum level. It just actually works. Oh, and you can, the cool thing is, before you even train an ability, you can still check the upgrade, you know. Let's say I'm here, I have not spent any skill points, you just check the upgrade to see how it scales before you even go and invest into the skill. That has a nice side effect that's actually very informative before you even decide on the ability. Awesome. I really like that. That's a cool idea. Can we get a page setter emote? If you guys have a cool emote for that, I'm not gonna draw one. Look at this genius showing his text, but we can't see because of the YouTube comment. Oh, I see. Look at this genius. Yeah, because everything is on the left, I know. I'm sorry. I need to remember that the left side is mostly for chat. Thank you very much for following, Gwixen. I appreciate it very much, man. Thank you. Cool. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. So, what I actually wanted to do today turned out into a new feature. Which I guess I'll take the W. And move on. Yeah, cool. So that is the very first ability that is using the new stat system. And the upgrade paths. Honestly, your pixel art progress is very inspiring, not to mention programming. Hey, a YOLO, my man. Thank you, man. And thank you, Freund, for following. The only thing that I don't like is when I, let's say, see, this is what it should look like normally, right? Like this. No additional information. It just says, okay, the ability gives me plus 40 knockback and plus 10 physical damage. Right? And then if I hold Alt, I can see the physical damage that it's doing right now. If I close the game and start the game, play. Oh, okay. And last time it thought that Alt was still running or working. I guess when you Alt tab, then I guess Alt is saved. And if I... Can you move the pop-up windows sideways, not covering the crosshair? Which pop-up windows are we talking about? Cakez, do you know how much time your whole UI takes to draw? Well, we can inspect it if you want to. Okay, I don't know what happened the other day, but okay. Seems good to me. By default, this is disabled. Okay, cool. Cakez, have you heard of instancing? I'm actually doing that. Let's see, how long does my UI take? No. You would probably want to see the UI that we have just been looking at, right? This stuff right here. Maybe even together with this. Right now it's running at 650 FPS. You can see that in whites on the top left. Okay? Let's see. I use RenderDoc for this because it's currently the most reliable that I have. Alright, so the output for that is blue. Then we have this stuff right here, the game. Oh wait, color pass. We draw the... Wow, that looks really good. Damn. Draw the dudes. Clear. This is lighting. Yeah, lighting. And this is the color pass, which is for UI. So I don't know what the first draw instanced here is. The 6th one. Not sure what that is. Oh, it is drawing the map first, the background. Looks pretty optimized. Yeah, I think it is. The first UI pass is non-transparent objects. That takes about 75 milliseconds. Microseconds, sorry, not milliseconds. Cakez, previous message. The pop-up window which shows the details. It covers the cursor and feels weird if you need to click something you can't see. Yes, I know what you mean, but give me a reason or give me a place where this should be. If maybe to the side here or to the side on the left. Because it always depends. I guess we could put it to the side of the skill. It's a debug build that shouldn't affect how long draw calls take. No, the draw calls should not be faster if I turn the game from debug to optimized. Because it's running on the GPU. The GPU does not get optimized. Maybe OpenGL does something, but yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so in total, the entire UI pass, if we get rid of this, because that's literally just drawing the game, is 91 microseconds. Shaders got optimized? No. Not from C++. The C++ doesn't touch the shaders at all. That is what... what is it called? Not Vulkan, OpenGL is doing. Either down or above. Okay, you know what? Rebel. Okay. I'll try. I'll try. The ability description has gotten quite large now. First of all, we call it center.
Gotcha, bitch.
Let's find the center. Thank you very much for following Wukash. Wukash. Thank you, man. Center. Center. First of all, I move it down. And then I move the center X. Let's get rid of those two. For now. And center.x plus equals description width. Divided by 2. I think this, instead of minus, it needs to be plus. And also divided by 2. And then there has to be some sort of padding, not on Y,
so out of touch?
but on X.
No.
Let's say.
Anonymous is gifting 1 subs to the community.
Oh man, thank you. I love boobies. But man, me too. Thank you very much for gifting a sub to the community, man. Now it's here. The thing that I don't like about this, by the way, is the following. Now, obviously, I can make it pop up on the left, right? It's this. This guy can train abilities. Where do I put this here? Let's say this guy has all tier 1 abilities trained. To the right, okay, to the right, okay. It's outside the window, unfortunately. Do I put it to the left here? George, thank you very much for following. Which is why I originally have put it above. Depends if you want match, maybe the var isn't and you want it to stay int. Thank you for following. I'm on train. 0.52. Guys, do you prefer var times 0.5 or var divided by 2? Times 0.5 is what I prefer to, yeah. I'd say if your mouse is above the middle of the screen, it should be below. Otherwise, it should be above. Simple functionality. How do some games do that? Iles, good morning. Do you guys know how some games display this ability description? If it has to do, how does Path of Exile? We shouldn't ask about Path of Exile. Why not just use the info window as the selector? Oh, you mean like bake the description into the window itself? Into the choice itself? Start drawing from a different corner? Well, okay, fine. But we still have this issue then. In the ability tree, if an ability is too far to the right. You see that? We still have that issue. I have to think about. I could draw it to the left, but man, that fucking sucks. It makes a lot of sense rather than having to hover. Isn't this little fuck? Maybe the var is int. You want it to stay int. Huh. Looks cool if it wasn't half of the screen. Yeah, it looks cool if it wasn't half of the screen. I think the alignment here is really good. I always end up working on UI at some point, huh? But I guess it goes hand in hand. I'll think about it, guys. I'll think about it. Still not as good as the game. Almost. The game over screen will be fixed at some point, okay? If you are a fucking god gamer, you don't need a game over screen in the game, okay? Because you're never going to see that one. Think about it. UI matters a lot. Sounds matter even more and more. Yeah, sound is something I really don't know. Still. Now, I will think about this. Excuse me. I need some water. I think we are getting somewhere here though. I wonder if Longshot now deals 0 damage. Let's see. I mean, or the game crashes, yeah. I mean, sure. Sure. That's fine. Oh, it just crashed. Okay. I gotta hit an assert. The reason why it hit an assert is because I'm not done implementing this, but we are done with the visuals. The actual logic in the code happens in this function right here, activate ability. It takes in one that activates it and the ability. And so what we have to do here is literally do something like this. We create a float, usage cost is get ability cost. You know, takes in the ability and then the entity, which is the activator. And then the same thing is cooldown. I guess we don't need cooldown, but we need the usage cost. Something like that. And the same thing here too, actually. It is a little bit more coding. Oops. Well, before I could just access the cooldown of the ability directly, now I can't. Which is very prone to errors. Before it was baked into the ability. But sometimes I need to create an ability without a hero in mind. I don't have like a hero. I guess actually I don't. I guess. We'll have to see. Also, the cost window above each unit looks a bit off, like a quickly develop patch on top of unit box on the left screen. What did you do to coffee lava? Sorry, right, sorry. Yeah, I know about that, yeah. Yeah, this is very error prone, so I'll think about it. Because I could potentially do a mistake and just do ability cooldown, you know, and do float cooldown is this, right? Error prone. What hinders me from doing that, right? Nothing. Now I can think and use my brain, but still, right? Cakez, are you like 97% water? No, I'm talking. And talking means your throat gets kind of strained while you do that. And so I'm trying to keep it liquidy. Also, eating fat helps me very good with that as well. But I eat too many sweets. So that counters it again. Using a brain requires the brain, huh? From the trial that breaks, he's 97% P. Lubricated. Yeah, I keep it lubricated. And fat helps too. It like creates a coat. But yeah, we talked about this many more times in the past. You guys know that. Okay. What now? Lube it up. Yeah. I think about this, because this works, but I can also access it like this, which is a bug. And offhand, I don't know a perfect solution. I don't think there will be a perfect solution. And maybe I just don't want a perfect solution. I just make sure that I call the functions that need to be called and have like the interfaces handle this properly. It's still prone to errors, but if I'm careful, then it should be fine. Trying to learn about private variables. I don't think you could put a private variable in a struct, right? And even if you could, then I would need a constructor, which I'll never do. Does that work? Let me see. Fuck off, man. Write fucking private. I never wrote private in my life. Int test. Does this work? Oh, I immediately get some float duration. Huh? Oh. How about this? Not per variable. Listen, it's been a while since I used public and private, right? Technically structs are classes, well, classes are structs. Okay, so I suppose I cannot use ability. Fuck! Is a private member. Yeah, well then how do I change it? Huh? I guess I need a stupid set function on the ability now. Just so I make sure that I don't access this immediately. So I have like this public function here. Which is a void set cooldown. Float value. Setters and getters. I don't need to get it. Okay, bro. Okay, no, absolutely no way. Absolutely no. It was nice. Okay. Bullshit. I'd rather have everything public. Absolutely no way. Nope. Was a nice test. Okay. Gotta learn something. Nice learning. Okay, please turn. Oh, okay. Nice. What makes it a bug? Keeping it public. Why is he doing it? The reason why I'm discussing or exploring this is very simple. I could show you here. So, I have created these two functions called getAbility. Called getAbility cooldown and getAbility cost. And those two functions need to be functions because they rely on units. A unit, this is an instance of a unit, right? Every unit has different stats. They can be further progressed in the story or with more items, you know, stuff like that. Or let's say not story, but in the map. And so they can have a stat called ability cost. And this is a multiplier to how much an ability costs in terms of, let's say, juice or energy, right? The typical energy that you have in your games. And I don't need that stat, but I want to have it so I can make cool items. So that's why I have the stat. And so the ability could potentially have a cooldown of 10 seconds, but the unit can have a multiplier of 0.5, which means the cooldown of the ability is cut in half, which makes you able to use it twice as often, depending on your choice of items, right? And so I need this function, is what I'm saying. Before I had this right here baked into the creation of the ability. Create ability of type. And before I needed to supply stats of the hero. Name the variable cooldown so you don't use it accidentally. He made it private and rage, he can't assign it by equals. I didn't rage at all. I was like, oh no, I just wanted to see what happens. And so for me an ability is just an ability that has nothing to do with any unit or anything. So the ability has its own stat system and effects. That has nothing to do with an actual unit. I want to be able to look at an ability without a unit in mind. So I disconnected the unit from this function. But doing that means I have to create these functions. I don't know if that's a good or wise choice. Mr. Rare, me trying to my best to understand. Someone else asked, okay, Kerm. You have a getAbility cost function for the same reason, smiley face. Yeah, seems like we came to the same conclusion then. Yeah, great minds think alike, true. See, I told you guys, I'm smart. This is the proof. I came to the exact same conclusion as Mr. Cap. So I'm smart. I'm new to C# and C++. You wanna learn C# or C++? That's awesome.
Gotcha, bitch.
Defro, thank you very much for following. I mean, why private? Why private? Testing. So I don't accidentally access the cooldown of the ability. I don't accidentally do the following. Instead of getting the ability's cooldown, I supply, well, load or cooldown is ability cooldown. I could forget about it and I'm like, okay, so the ability has a cooldown, let me access that. Prefix the member name with an underscore. Yeah, okay, we do that. I think that is the best way to do it. Sometimes I still need to set the cooldown though. Prefix or postfix, guys? Rename it to underscore cooldown. Eat massive chode. Both my real name is starting to get into both real. I'm really starting to get in game dev. That's awesome. What are you doing to get into it? Post, pre, team prefix, pre-clown, pre-cooldown. Do it the Unreal Engine style, easy clap. I feel like you are explaining the workflow, but I'm trying to understand. I don't think you can understand much unless you have a perfect vision of the data and like how it works all together. So if you don't understand both, if you don't understand, that's not because you are dumb or something. That's just because you don't have all of the information required to even follow along, which is the reason why programming streams are difficult to follow in general. You don't know what this does here. Like for example, what is this? Why is the level used? You can kind of make out what most of these things mean, but not everything, right? For example, stat bundle stats, stuff like that. I see you have the level set as an integer. Yeah, you want to be able to increase the level of the ability by +1, 2, 3, something like that. True. Okay, boys, we will do it like this. This. We prefix. Should we prefix or postfix? Oh my god. I knew this was gonna happen. Definitely prefix, goldfish memory. Delicious. Boom. Fail to compute edits. Oh, maybe now. Please. Guys, I think I'm gonna do this off stream. I cannot rename it. Visual Studio Code is not powerful enough. Oh god. $69 results. $24 results. This is active ability. We can't use that. Private still seems the best option to prevent you from modifying, although there's so much red, yeah. No, I'll do that, and I'll do it by hand. Or we'll do it like this, y._duration. No, this is supposed to be a replace. Let's see, start out with 1. How do I replace 1? How do I go 1 by 1? How do I replace 1? Control Shift 1. Like that. Shit, I'm gonna make bad decisions here, am I? Ability duration, ice wall. That's bad. Ice wall and healing circle also is dependent on the duration of the ability. But duration can be extended. That's bad. I will probably need a get ability duration function. Ability duration. Yeah, poison. Yeah, we'll get to those. Duration. Taunt. Shield. Duration. We skip that. Okay. Now ability dot cooldown. God. Active ability cooldown. Okay, I can replace all of them. It's still many reds. Oh. And it didn't show for the arrows. Yeah, for example here. Wait. So already ability taunt buff. This is wrong. So many. So I do have a coding suggestion, coding question, sure. Just double click a variable and then press Ctrl+Shift+1. It marks the variable everywhere and renames it at the same time. Can you just change these places to call your new functions? No. I think I'm gonna undo, actually. Yeah. I'm gonna undo. And I will not... I will do it by hand. It's important to do it by hand, actually. It's better. It's only like 100 things. It's interesting that the guy who doesn't care about const and uses pointers everywhere over suddenly cares about accidental access. And then a fucking shit emote, poop emote shape, making fun of me. Hello Dev Spudges, thank you very much for raiding. Good morning. Hello, Basic. Inokai, what is wrong with you? Like, you literally joined on YouTube a couple of fucking days ago. Not even that long. And you have always been nice. What is your fucking problem, bro? Don't, like, I need to get rid of the Twitch chat on stream, man. Oh, fucking, I hate this shit. Streamer makes people talk. Yeah, sure. When you started wearing the sweater, yeah, and what is my sweater saying about me, huh? Guys, don't we have a fucking mod in here? Why do you not show respect to Mr. Spudges, hmm? You noobs, thank you very much for the raid. Hope you're doing good. When are you going to enable memberships on YouTube? Oh, I can enable that, right. You guys would like me to support on YouTube, want to support me on YouTube? Well, I could, but maybe I should supply the same emotes to YouTube that I have on Twitch. Dev Spudges, I just showed respect. Hello there, hey there, my man. And merry belated Christmas, Spudges. What a nice person. That's when I joined. When you started wearing the sweater, that's when I joined. What does my sweater have to do with that, bro? Hello, Fluffy Coturnian. I don't even know why I turned this into an int. That is dumb. Very pungent indeed. Guys, it doesn't smell. Like my wife said it smells too, but in my defense, no one from my family said it smells. And my wife literally says everything smells. Like literally I could open up a fresh batch of meat. I would, you know, smell on it, or how do you say that? Not smell. sniff on it. And it tastes like cherries. Really delicious. And she's like, oh, that smells. So, like, I don't take her seriously when she says that. Not 100%, at least. You have to define what type the word / variable is, like public string my name. After that, you can use it. Otherwise, the program does not know which type of word / variable it is, or is not declared. I'll think about the membership on YouTube. Okay, Byte. I appreciate that you're wanting to support me, man. Thank you. Means a lot to me. Not 100% at least. Sniffing cakes, puke. Guys, I don't smell. You're wrong. This is dumb. Okay, I need to think about that. Moin Meister, moin Alex. Good morning, sir. Hey, you wanna see something cool? Let me show you. Watch this. Shield bash. Watch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Level up. Information in green. Down below, total damage the unit will deal if it uses that ability in physical damage. And there's more. There's more. Shit, this guy doesn't have any elemental damage. There's shit there. Whatever. That YouTube comment goes on the screen. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Okay. So also I was supposed to make the function I want a variable by using public string name. To make the function, I was supposed to make the function I want a variable by using public string name. God bless you. Oop. It steals when. Today's the 27th. I wanna be around. Can you ask me a question in Discord so I don't forget? I need to think about when. Don't know yet. Lol, look, he has. Lol, I forgot to remove the guitar. It's a fucking guitar. I forgot, I didn't even realize. Okay. Okay, whatever. We'll remove the guitar later. Cool. Mission accomplished. Awesome. Yeah, this is the latest version. The latest version of the ability. That is the latest version. Shut your fucking mouth. What do you fucking mean? We got it. My boy is 7 today, so I've kicked his ass on Tekken and Soul Calibur all morning to knock him down a peg or 8. Rebel Decibel, I really like Thor. I've watched his stream for about 6 months now and happy he is getting the attention and income. He has worked hard for it, but I don't like what his stream has become. You guys, I'm pretty sure it will be better in the future, guys. All of this attention is very difficult to deal with. You have to put yourself into his shoes. He gets a bunch of donations and questions and he wants to answer them properly. So how do you do it properly, man? Like, those people want to know stuff. That's why they are there. You know, he has a lot of knowledge for them. So what should he What should he do? I think he's doing the best out of the situation. You know, I'm pretty sure it will be back to normal at some point. You know. Oh, guys. Man, I have a lot of stuff ahead of me. Look, I still have Kick. So you guys said Kick is dead. Huh. Oh, it was just loading software. So this is where I would... Oh god. Okay. Oh god. Bringing coding to Kick. Okay, bro. XQC Live, Dog Leaf, Grand Theft Auto, 40,000, yeah, damn. 8 viewers, Pork, yeah, this is where, like, I would be here somewhere in between the two, I'm pretty sure. Then Kick showed its handly Mao. Yeah, there's not much going on. Okay, how about Path of Exile? Let's see for Path of Exile. That's even worse, man. How can it have less followers? There's no point streaming to Kick, man. I would be streaming to like nothing. Gamma streams only? Yeah. Holy, that's not enough. Not even close. Just chatting 4,000. Yeah, these are all slots, and this is XQC. Wow! Is it the time? 2 PM. As I said earlier, Kick is dead. I think it's literally dying, yeah. Like a couple of months... Wait. I mean... Can you give me a He's off! It's a shitty site. Okay, piss off. This website sucks. Piracy, gambling, top categories, yeah. A Kick is garbage. Verify you are a human. Well, it depends on what the stats say. Peak viewers, average viewers. July, so they are growing. Sorry to say, but they had a little bit more here. Then they fell down a bit, but they catched up again. They seem to be stable. What is this? This month has seen a lot of view-botting streams that have been impacted platform's peak viewership number. Oh, okay. This is the highest one. This is XQC probably. Or? Maybe before. Not a real platform like Twitch. Yeah, I mean Twitch is more for sure. Crazy Town. 500,000 viewers. It's just a couple that have very high numbers, I think. That are keeping this high. Deal or no deal, Slots Casino, Grand Theft Auto. This is, yeah, 7 days. Okay, you could become the biggest game dev streamer on Kick. Yeah, sure. Well, I'll think about it, but there's not really any reach there at the moment. I don't see it. No, I don't see it. It's okay. Okay. Look, we are here, boys. The Dev Dad. This guy raided us yesterday. Thank you very much for following. I didn't see that. Someone followed? A collector of stuff. Oh man. Stop it. That could be in your CV. Okay, guys. Building a habit from social forming social network, road to release law volume 1. You guys want to watch this guy? Rafael Luba? Yeah, I'm sorry, Azen, I have a lot to do. I have to conserve my energy. We want to watch Cakez. That's fine. I'll be online tomorrow, guys. Release the demo, fucker. I'm working on it. Since he raided me yesterday, we raid him back. Demo last update 3 years ago, aware. Guys, I really appreciate the support. Thank you very much for joining today and for chilling out for the short amount of time that we had today. I'm gonna work on YouTube, try to set everything up for the streaming gameplay. Working on it. Okay. I will be online tomorrow. Probably not in the morning, but later, like today, okay? Still a lot of stuff to do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you all tomorrow. Same for YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you all tomorrow.